What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, and it is Halloween. It is our annual challenge that we do, our Halloween shot challenge. As you can see, we've got our usual guest, JSGC, who will be joining me for this video.
Yes, I will.
So what it's going to be doing is reading questions, Halloween themed questions to me. So if I get them wrong, I'll be down in the shot, and if I get them correct, JSGC will be down in the shot. So who will win, MixedSid or JSGC?
Oh, yes.
Happy Halloween. Let's get straight into it.
I like this. Right. Normally we run this like easy through to difficult, but I've done it in no particular order, so it's just random. And it's random drinks. There's no particular strength. These are all special shots that we've done, which I'll tell you the name of. So the first shot that we're going to be doing is the vodka and cranberry syringe shot. So do you want to show it off, Aaron, please?
I want to show it to the camera. So it's dead simple to make. So get your shot glass with vodka, and really it's just a syringe full of cranberry juice. Inject it in, and that's it.
Okay.
Really simple.
So, first question, Halloween themed, is a group of witches has a name. What is the name for a group of witches?
I don't know.
Ooh.
I can think it. I'm thinking American Horror Story, but I can't remember what they call it.
Series 3.
It is, right. I can't remember what they call it. Covenant.
It's close. Coven.
Oh!
Right, you're having the syringe shot. There we go.
Oh, God.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. Good luck.
Yeah, bad magic drill on stand by our cider.
It shouldn't be too bad, it's just trying to do some vodka.
So I've got spider's web in my mouth.
Halloween themed, gotta love it. Not keen, not keen. Okay, right, the second shot.
Truthfully, it's not bad.
Not bad. So the second shot is the mind eraser, which you use through a straw. I'm sure MixedSid will be able to tell you maybe a little bit more about it.
I think I could be needing this. This is painful.
What's in the mind eraser?
All I know it messed up my New Year's Eve.
Oh, so you won't be wanting this. I think you just take it through a straw, don't you?
If you want.
Yeah. Right, so on Netflix, are you familiar with Netflix?
Yeah.
There's a new hit series out on Netflix, which is based on a serial killer.
Yeah, Dharma.
Played by Evan Peters. So, my first question is, what's the name of the serial killer? I need first name and last name. You got the last name with Dharma, so that's half a point. Do you know his first name?
Not watched it properly. Oh, God.
Can I give him it? I might give you it just for having Dharma. Because you know who I'm on about.
I know you're on about, yeah, Dharma.
Let's try, it begins with a J.
That's Jeff.
Jeffrey Dahmer. Well done, right. So I'll take the mind eraser. What's in the mind eraser?
Kahlua.
Yeah. The vodka.
Vodka. There's something else in it, but I can't remember what it is.
I smell like, is it peach? Peach schnapps? Maybe.
I think it's peach schnapps, yeah.
Oh, there's a little bit left. Yeah, that's not bad. That's alright. Ooh, a bit of a kick at the end. That's not bad. I'm alright. I'm okay.
Yeah.
I'm okay. Okay, right. Next question is, in the UK, a certain kind of candy, they've worded it, obviously based in America, so it's a sweet. It's a chocolate. It's expected to be the most popular sweet in the UK for Halloween this year. Which sweet do you think it is? Most popular.
Sweet?
It's a chocolate, but it's classified as a sweet for Halloween.
Don't know.
can have a good guess. This is for the voodoo shot.
Chocolate apple.
It's a chocolate. It's an actual brand of chocolate.
Oh, right, it's an actual brand.
Yeah, just chuck out a kind of chocolate. Ooh.
Really don't know.
It's a very popular one. Very popular.
A caramel, no, like a barrel. Caramel chocolate Capri's. I really don't know.
A brand. It's a brand. Sold literally everywhere. You get bars of them. You get miniatures.
I don't know. Could be Capri's. Could be anything.
Yeah, stop thinking about that and think about the names of chocolates.
Well, like a Ferretto, like that.
Yeah, we go. Things like that. Right. So give me one. What's popular?
Go for Galaxy.
Galaxy. Incorrect. Snickers.
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 What are people living on Snickers?
Snickers. It's actually I did something in the back of my brain was telling me it's the most popular chocolate in the UK. Snickers.
I'm disappointed.
There we go. Aaron not keen on the Snickers. Right. The
I
voodoo.
mean, I don't mind it, but
The voodoo shot.
Overproof.
Get that lid off.
I've never got the heart to do it.
You can't do it, everybody. I make that -2 points. -2. That takes Aaron on to a score of -1. Oh, he is attempting it. It's the overproof, isn't it? Can't do it with the overproof. There we go. Voodoo shot 1.
Not doing it.
MixedSid 0. MixedSid 0. Okay, right, we'll move on to the next one. This is the Kamikaze, which was just vodka and was it lime
juice?
Lime juice. I'll get that and lemon juice mixed up. Okay, right. Film series Halloween featuring world-renowned Michael Myers recently released their last ever film in their franchise. So they say. This new film, it's in cinemas now. I would like to know what that film is called. Obviously, it's the Halloween franchise as Halloween. What's the next bit?
I'm gonna go for 7.
Halloween. It's called Halloween Ends.
Alright.
There we go. Apparently, I've not seen the film. No spoilers. No spoilers in the comments. I've no idea what number it is.
Alright.
Probably right with 7. But yeah, apparently one of the female main character or Michael Myers comes to a conclusion. One of them dies at the end of the film. So there we go. Can you muster up the vodka and the lime?
God, it looks so shit.
I thought it looked quite nice. This is sensational. Sensational. Right, the next one, it's a very funky looking drink, is known as the Frog's Breath Shooter, which is Midori and the melon liqueur, and is it Irish cream, I think, layered on. There we go, very funky looking drink there. Okay, very nicely layered. Well done, MixedSid. Okay, so the film Conjuring, you've seen it? You have?
Yeah.
You have seen The Conjuring. Okay, was released between 2010 and 2020. What year was The Conjuring released?
16.
Incorrect. 2013 was the answer. MixedSid is incorrect. Not very good with his Halloween knowledge. Needs to improve. Needs to hit the internet more and find out more about Halloween. I don't think he's going to take this shot either.
No.
He's not. I think I've won this shot challenge, everybody. Right, Aaron, how's your knowledge on American Horror Story Coven from before?
Which one's Coven?
The third series, The Witches. Alright, okay. Right, Misty Day is one of the characters in it. Yeah? She was the very dreamy character. Spent a lot of time in the gardens and greenhouses, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
The actress who plays her.
I don't know. Not gonna guess, 'cause I don't know.
You don't know? You will as soon as I say it.
Oh.
Lily Rabe. Blast from the past. Lily Rabe. Right, this is this funky looking shot right here. What's this called?
It is the brain hemorrhage.
The brain hemorrhage. And it's not too bad of a shot, to be fair. It's just the texture is terrible because it leaves the Irish cream in your mouth. So you end up just feel like you've taken a mouthful of dodgy cream is how it feels to me.
Put me off.
So MixedSid is again, just, let me, 1, 2, 3, 4. Have you got any, oh, you got one correct.
Got one.
One correct. Okay. Right. Bonus question then. See if MixedSid can redeem himself. Let's go double or nothing. MixedSid loses the shot challenge if he gets this incorrect. He wins if he gets this correct. MixedSid's most popular Halloween drink on YouTube and the only Halloween video currently over 1,000 views. Which video is it? Is the first question.
It's Black Widow.
Excellent. So you can pick. I'll let you pick one of these for me to have that you've not done.
I won't throw that on yours because I just. That I wouldn't choose. If it is me, I'd probably go.
Which one's you going to pick?
It's tense. I'll go for that one.
That one? Okay.
Brain hemorrhage is nice, but it's just one of those, like, no, the curdling.
Them flavours go really well. That's a really nice shot.
It's stronger than me, but I'm just down with it. I'm just past the point of no return. I've got nothing left.
Black Widow is correct. But how many views is it on?
I don't think it's at 2K.
What's your guess? Give it you to the nearest 100.
I know it's still getting algorithm now. It always gets algorithm every October. So no, it's 1.2 by the time of this year. If I was to guess, I'd say 1.4.
You're going to take our bonus shot.
Okay. You
are incorrect. It is, when I checked last, a couple of days ago, so it may be on even more, was on 2,598 views. So it's really picked up some algorithm, keeping the MixedSid series alive. Aaron is about to do a shot of blood. It's Halloween! How does the blood taste?
Really nice.
What was it really?
Going off that sweet taste, I would say grenadine.
Perfectly correct. I was very kind to MixedSid, and we went for a very nice flavourful shot to end it, because we definitely haven't filmed this back to back with the wedding special shot to send us out of it on the eve of my wedding. So thank you everybody for watching, much appreciated. Always enjoyed doing the Halloween shot series. If there's any other shot kind of series you'd like to see us do, then do let us know. I'm sure MixedSid would be very big up if you was to do a 10 shot series of non-alcoholic shots. Wouldn't you?
Or even strongest if you want to see that.
Yeah, not right now.
No.
Not right now. Okay, thank you everybody for watching. Much appreciated. Like, subscribe to MixedSid, and we'll see you all again very soon. Happy Halloween.
Yep. Peace. Ciao for now.
Ciao for now.
Have a nice day.